Hey guys, it's Katie from Cerebriam Studio, and today I'm going to bring you along with me to a talk that I attended in London on how generative AI can offer new possibilities for creating unique and compelling social media content. The talk was hosted by the CEO and head of product Nageela at Cerebriam, who covered and gave us live demonstrations of how AI can produce image generation based on text prompts, AI-based text generation for captions, hashtags, blog posts, video editing tools that can help you make your social media content better and more efficient. Obviously mentioning Cerebrium Studio's product in there, and it ended up being a really interesting talk. We had some really interesting discussions about the future of AI and some of the exciting possibilities that come with it. Cerebrium Studio does occasionally host events like this, so if you are interested in ever attending them, just keep an eye out on our social media. Here is a little bit of the talk.
And so when it comes to generating images, I mean, look at that. That looks like it's in a zoo. It looks like some animals over there. And I said Silverstone. So Silverstone is a recognizable name, right? It's a very famous racing track. But at least these two, in terms of contextualizing, they've got that a little bit right. I mean, they realized that Silverstone's in the UK. So the thing about representation, the image that you saw that was used to promote this event, for example, the prompt for that included something along the lines of diverse group of small business owners. The other thing that I noticed was that men would always be in the forefront of the picture. So then I specifically asked it, have a male and female figure in the forefront, so two leaders, one male, one female. It didn't actually do that. So there was still the male in the forefront, and then the woman was slightly behind him.